guys, and welcome to day 24 of Vlogmas. It is the day before Christmas, and today is supposed to be excited and fun. So, right now I am packing because we don't stay here for Christmas. We go down to where I am originally from, which is in Trelawney. So, we are packing. So, I'm picking out clothes that I want to wear, stuff like that. So yeah, I still have not done my hair and my nails. This needs to be done today because today it's supposed to be Grand Market vibes, you know. It's normally hectic, so but right now it's off to not so fun starts. Not like Nadia, like gone. Yeah, like gone. So when I'm not out today I work out, but like gone, I'm a phone so dead. Yeah.
Yes. Mama, yeah. What police time?
I look so weird. I want to show them my ear just on. Hi.
You want to see my hair?
You look weird. My face look
You want
weird.
to see my wig?
No, nobody wants to see your wig. You're so crazy. Good morning, guys. Welcome to day 25 of Vlogmas. It is Christmas Day. Merry Christmas, everybody, and I hope you guys have a fabulous day. Just remember the reason for the season. So it is currently about 5:05 right now. We have church. I'm already late. It should have begun at 5, so I'm late. So I just got ready. Put a red dress on, put my dare thing on, put the slippers on, and I'm about to head out the door. So let's go. Just got my jacket. What else do I need? I don't even know. Yeah, so we're gonna go. We're gonna leave.
If the boss come and no find we'll watch the sheep, we're in trouble. Imagine if they had said, if a wolf come take the one of the sheep, we are in trouble. So we would have loved to go down to Bethlehem, but we can't go, but we have duty. But they listened to the voice of God, and they went, and they received a blessing. And not only we read that while they had no room and some were ignoring him, that the shepherds went to worship. We also read that some Gentiles, wise men from the east, came, traveled long and far. They followed a star, follow at one point their own inclination, end up at the wrong place, said to the people in Jerusalem, because Jerusalem is where King born, King live. So them think that since King live at Jerusalem, if a king is born, it must be in Jerusalem. When Herod heard that a king is born, and when him check him house, no baby never born in a him house, he was troubled, and he inquired, and they were told that the prophecy is that it is in Bethlehem. That, my brothers and sisters, the wise men, though they were misguided for a while, they left Jerusalem and they went to Bethlehem, about 5 miles. Then they opened up their treasures and they presented to him gifts, gold, frankincense, and myrrh, and they worshiped Almighty God, even though nobody came with them, even though the people them did not know that their own king was born. It didn't stop them. Seem interested. Don't allow that to make you discouraged. Go down to Bethlehem, man. Present your gifts. And worship.
Hey guys, so I am packed. Well, almost ready to go. I got my bag, my knapsack, got my shoes. I'm gonna wear my socks. Got my my gift that I'm gonna wear today for my Christmas. Don't know if I showed you guys this, but I got this for my cherry. Gonna wear that, and these are my other jewelries. Bought those 2 last night. This one and this one. And yeah, so I'm gonna get ready. Let's show you the breakfast. Yes, guys. So this is the breakfast table. It's spread. This is gonna be my part. So I got my egg in there. We have bacon. We got fruit bowl with melon, grapes, and what's that called? Pawpaw. I don't eat that, but it is there. Then we have the burger meat. We got cheese, burger buns, mayo. We got vegetables. That's lettuce and tomatoes. Yeah. And we also have orange juice to drink. So we're gonna have orange juice as well. And I might get some of this. This is for my dad because he doesn't eat bacon. And we got coffee. Yay. So at the moment I'm gonna bathe and mom is ironing. She's ironing.
And I have to be ironing her clothes.
Yeah, I iron for you a lot. So she's ironing my pants and my blouse and her clothes and dad's clothes. Thanks, mommy.
You're welcome.
So yeah, I'm gonna bathe. I need for all about. I'm tired already because guys, we get up at I got up at 4 and then I lay down and got back at 4:30 because we have morning service at 5. So yeah, but it's still late, but I did get up early. I did try. I'm not lie. I tried to be early, but it never worked. But anyways, I'm gonna roll a bath. Come get ready before daddy reach. Hi guys, so we are finally ready. We're gonna leave out. Like, no, well, we leave out already, but yeah. I'm gonna finish showing them a birthday gift, but yes, I'm wearing this.
Cherry.
Yeah, sorry. Me cherry gift. It must be as a birthday and a cherry gift. Yes. So this is my cherry gift.
This is gonna take time.
So yeah, we are getting some ice, and then we will be on our way. Hey guys, so we're now in Filoni. This is going to, you know, what's that? Still, I go for the wagons. Still, I'm not gonna see all the wagons. Hi, Shanika.
Hi,
Wind
Auntie.
it.
Auntie, give a shout out to my friend. Auntie.
Yeah. You can't go again.
So you gonna say hi?
Look at the table, there's one there. Oh, yeah.
Auntie, say hi.
Hi, baby. One you want?
Grandma, say hi.
One?
Grandma.
Alright, you do that.
Make a video.
Are you really doing that? This will be on the internet. Is this how you want to be displayed? You're an imbecile. Imbecile.
What is it?
Let me see the other one. Where is she?
Hi, Grandma.
Hi, hello.
How you doing?
Hello.
Auntie Kamar. No, Auntie Angie. No, Auntie.
Oh, let me come out.
No, in the wrong enough because I think something man in the bottom only.
No, it's alright. I'm still here.
19.
Yeah, so I'm gonna just go back and lie down because I'm not enough to do at the moment. What's happened? Come and say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Now tell him hi. Say hi now. Say hi.
Okay.
Nothing? Fine. No, get them. Hold them, yes.
Move from side of me.
Move from side of the mother.
Your name when
Nine. Move me 9.
Where?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Mommy, I want St. James, please.
Sure, I know. So that means somebody else. Look here.
Oh, what? Which one? Good morning, guys, and welcome to day 27 of Vlogmas. Hi, Shingan.
Hi.
How you doing, sweetie?
I'm tired.
Aw,
My lips are red.
I feel tired.
So let's see. I'm more tone.
I don't know why I always do it neither. Hi, Nikki.
Hi.
Bye, Nikki. Yeah, it took too long to start back in vlog. Anything you want to say? Any Christmas shout outs?
Christmas shout out to me. Oh guys, you can follow my page at queens_glam_academy. Yes, if you want makeup stuff,
Yes.
I am the
me
girl,
buy mine.
okay? And you can follow my personal page at queen.nicolette. That's NICKOLETTE.
Yes, and you're going to get the good thing then.
Hey, good thing. For cheap.
I remember that.
We're heading home now.
Hey guys, we're back home. So we're back home. Actually just got in. Well, not just, but yeah. And at the moment I'm snacking on some chips with some, so these are Tostitos. First time trying these, you know. We buy them on the 24th and I tried them and I like them. This is the second time I'm buying this. And I love this dip, so I bought it with the Tostitos chips. And I'm loving. We also bought some pizza rolls, which we're doing now. So yeah. And then we're gonna play cards.